Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions to multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. So first, you can just add the clips that you want to edit. So actually here I only add one clip, but I already split it into a few parts. So there are a few clips on my timeline in here, and then you can just click Control A or select your videos right here, and then head to transitions at the top. And here you can choose the transitions that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this film strip, so you can just right click on the transition and tap on set as standard transitions option like this. And after that, you can click on Control plus T word on your keyboard here. And now all of the transitions will be applied to all of the clips. This is how you can do it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.